Hi everybody, I'm Lisa Eitel with Design World Magazine. We're here in Anaheim, MD&M West 2018 at the Universal Robots booth, talking with Doug Spinn of Robot27. What are some things that we're seeing here at the booth, and in particular, what are we seeing with this welding end effector on this Universal Robot?
Well, you know, All Great Robotics is a partnership of many. We're starting out with a universal robot, which is very highly, easily programmable. They're known for that. Added to that is a device called the Snap Weld from ARC Specialties of Houston, Texas. They take care of the welding part. It has all the easily programmable things to make sure you get a beautiful weld with this product. At Robot27, we specialize in higher end programming to make things really simple. In an application like this, where someone has to weld multiple plates on a beam like this, they're all the same. Even in the easiest of programming, you'd have to touch 36 points to try to figure out how to weld this. And we write a program that gets it down to 3. You basically come in, you touch this point, and this point. The geometry is all there, and you can walk away, and you have your welder that takes care of all of the welding for you.
Excellent, Doug. And who are the intended users of this setup?
Well, this has a lot of uses actually. This particular thing, any structural steel fabricator that basically does high-rise office buildings and that sort of thing. So this beam would be maybe 50 feet long. They would be welding these plates in. This is a relatively inexpensive unit to have a welder to actually do this. So any fabricator that would work with steel, cut steel, would be it. And we also have an end that is a plasma cutter. So we could have one robot that's doing cuts on this beam while another one is coming in and welding in pieces.
Excellent, wow. All right, you guys, well, thanks for watching. Thanks, Doug, for the explanation. For more information from Design World, you can visit designworldonline.com and click on videos. And what's your website where?
And you can find us at robot27.com.
Thanks for watching.